Kini kidai ki katto kanne ki party ki badan na kaliang persya. Kita ka kentup ya ka AITC, ka badai ka All Indian Trinamool Congress, ka INC, ka Indian National Congress, bat ka VPP, ka Voice of the People Party. Iba adal bird nangrum, iba job na ka North Shillong 17 constituency. I Dr. Mukul Sangma, iba job na ka 41 Songsak constituency. Iba Charles Penrop, iba job na ka Nongtumai 21 constituency. Iba Arden Miller Basayomoin, iba job na ka Arpoar Nongkrem constituency. I Dr. Celestine Lengdo, iba job na ka Umsning 11 constituency. Iba Ronnie Willengdo, iba job na ka Milim 20 constituency. I Dr. Mizanur Rahman Kazi, iba job na ka 47 Rajabala constituency. Iba Gabriel Walang, iba job na ka Nongstoin Laipuar constituency. Iba Bright Starwell Marbanyang, iba job na ka Maulai 15 constituency. Iba Charles Marngar, iba job na ka Mauhati 8 constituency. Ikong Miani di Shira, iba job na ka Ampati Sanpulai constituency. Iba Havingstone Karpan, iba job na ka Mauring Keneng Katlai constituency. I Rupa M. Marak, iba job na ka Dadengre 49 constituency.